Hey, I'm Nathan Crane.
I'm Derek Crane.
We're the co-founders of Crane Factor, where we bring you programs, products, and inspiration on healthy living,
Fitness training,
and creating an amazing life. And we are in the third and final part of the pistol squat tutorial. If you've not watched part 1 and part 2 yet, make sure you go back and watch those. Today, you should be ready to start doing the pistol squat. So, before you get into it, we want to show you the mobility and the warm-up pieces, which are really important. Get those knees and hips and legs warmed up before you start trying the pistol to help prevent the injury. So first thing is we're going to do a set of 20 just regular squats. All right, we'll just do a few here, but just do a full squat down, full squat up, and do 20 of these. Get as low as you can and start there, all right? Through 20 squats, the next piece is let's start warming up those knees a little more. So come down into that squat position, but come up onto your toes a little bit and use your elbows to push out your knees and then rock forward, bringing your knee further over the front of your toe. And you can do 15 on each side here, so a total of 30. And really warm up that knee, that MCL, that ACL. Also opening up the ankle mobility a little bit more here. Then you can come back into your heels, into that deep squat, push open those hips and lean forward a little bit here too, bringing your back up. And this will also open up the ankles as well as the hips and the knees. And so you'll hold this for 20 seconds. And then right from here, go ahead and come and stand up. Now we'll go into the side squats or side lunges.
So with the side squats, what we want to do is go wider than shoulder width apart. We're going to sink over into that right leg, weight into the heels, keeping the opposite foot flat onto the ground, come all the way down below parallel. This is where we're going to start and then come all the way back up, pushing that weight from your heel, going over to the other side, coming below parallel, and then pushing that weight up. Now go ahead and do a set of 12 there, going from one side to the other. Now the next progression that we want to do from here, after you get 12, nice and slow, is as you come down, what you want to do is now get below parallel, bring this heel up. Now that you're in this full pistol squat position, weight of the heel, now push up from that position. Switching over to the other side. So both heels flat onto the ground. These toes raise up. The other heel stays flat onto the ground. From here, pushing all the way up. Again, getting a set of 12 there, sinking down into it, not rushing through the movement.
Right, so from there, now let's move right into, find yourself a bench, a chair, something you can stand on about knee height. This is one of the progressions from our previous video. But now we want to use it, you should be able to do 4 sets of 10 of this, but now we want to use it as a warm-up, okay? So now we want to go ahead and get a set of 5 on each leg. Basically, you just stand up, and you're going to do a pistol right here. Heel forward, come down, touch your heel to the ground, stand up. Go ahead and do 5 on each leg, keeping that back heel down on the bench. 5 on the left leg, 5 on the right leg. Now you should be warmed up enough to go into the full pistol.
I'm going into the full pistol. What we can do here just to help guide your other leg, because the main difference from this is that now your foot, and from the side squats is now your foot is going to come forward. So what you can do is with that same foot that comes forward, you can actually reach down and grab your toes, sinking all the way down into this pistol. Hold this for a moment, coming all the way back up. Feet flat onto the ground, switching over to the other side. Again, you can hold this toe as you reach all the way down, sinking all the way down, coming all the way up. So doing a set of 10 there, and then doing the full pistol without holding that leg anymore. So that's the final progression. This is the final full pistol. We're gonna sink all the way down, reach that toe forward, come all the way back up. Sink all the way down, reaching this foot forward, coming all the way back up. Now, if you can see like a knee coming in a little bit, I can tell with my right knee, my knee's coming in a little bit. That gives an indication for me that I need to do some work on specifically these ligaments and also mobility through this knee. So you can see yourself in the mirror. You get a lot of feedback from doing a skill exercise like a pistol squat.
And the next step is start adding these into your workouts at least 2 days a week. All right, so start adding in sets. You'll get better and better at them. The key, remember, make sure everything is warmed up really good before you go all the way down into that pistol to prevent the injury. And now you've got them, don't lose them. Keep doing them at least a couple times a week. So that's it for today's tutorial. Leave us your thoughts, comments, questions below. Hit that like button if you got some good input from this video, and share this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you tomorrow.